Hello, this is RVer Frank. Having left St. George at 6 this morning, I just passed through Las Vegas. It is now around 8 o'clock as I approach Henderson, Nevada to the south on US 95. I am bringing you along on this round-trip destination today to Kingman, Arizona to pick up a new trailer. I'll tell you more about my need for another trailer, but first I want to share with you some facts you may find interesting about the route I will be traveling. I will be passing through Boulder City and catch a glimpse of Lake Mead as I cut over to Hoover Dam on US 93, and then on down to Kingman, which is about another 2 hours. There has been a massive amount of road construction around the Hoover Dam area over the past 10 years. As early as the 1960s, officials identified the US 93 route over Hoover Dam to be dangerous and inadequate for projected traffic volumes. From 1998 to 2001, officials from Arizona, Nevada, and several federal government agencies collaborated to determine the best route for an alternative river crossing. Anyone who has traveled this old route in an oversized RV can appreciate this white-knuckler drive. The solution was the construction of the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. The arch bridge spans the Colorado River between the states of Arizona and Nevada and located within the Lake Mead National Recreation Area. Opened in 2010, it was the key component of the Hoover Dam Bypass Project, which rerouted US 93 from its previous routing along the top of Hoover Dam and removed several hairpin turns and blind curves from the route. It is jointly named for Mike O'Callahan, governor of Nevada from 1971 to 1979, and Pat Tillman, an American football player who left his career with the Arizona Cardinals to enlist in the United States Army and was later killed in Afghanistan by friendly fire. Here are some more facts about this route. Actually, this US 93 route will be shared with a new highway to link Canada and Mexico. The new Interstate 11, construction already underway, will connect the two countries through the states of Arizona, Nevada, Utah, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington. This is the portion of the Interstate 11 I am traveling between Las Vegas and Kingman. The highway began as the Canamex Corridor in 1995, serving as a joint effort involving Arizona, Nevada, Idaho, Utah, and Montana. Now, the reason for this trip. I talked in a previous video about my 5x8 foot single axle trailer I used to move garage stuff from California, and I was planning to use it for carrying a UTV, or otherwise known as a side-by-side off-highway vehicle. Well, I determined that trailer would be too small to haul the UTV I've decided to get. So after an exhaustive search for a 6.5 by 12 foot tandem axle electric brake utility trailer, the nearest new one available in stock is about 4 hours from St. George, Utah, in Kingman, Arizona. I found out this relatively small 7,500 pound GVWR trailer is popular with desert homesteaders in these parts, who put water tanks on them to haul water to their off-grid homesteads. They are not cheap, and I happened to get the last one here on sale. Okay, made it back safely. It was a long 9+ hour drive, round trip, plus the time to have a brake controller installed in the Colorado. I really like the finished detail of this trailer. It's a CarryOn brand trailer. It is 96 inches wide, wheel to wheel, giving me 4 inches of clearance on each side, backing through the gate opening. A 2 5/16 inch ball is required. I need to get a spare and check the lug nuts for the 4th time on the return trip, and manually adjust the rear axle electric brakes as part of the trailer break-in. But the reason for this is sitting there in front of the trailer, my new Can-Am Maverick XRC. More on that in the next videos. Thanks for watching.